box is the brand new XTS. This is the flagship model rally car by RLAARLO. Gonna show it to you on the table and take it for an epic drive. Let's go. Let's peel it back. I'm gonna tell you guys, I've looked at this a little bit and there is so much strength in this thing. I mean, it is designed into it. You guys are gonna love this. Let's look at the underside here. Man, look at these arms. There is a lot of beef here. Now this does kind of remind me of the Omni Terminator with the chassis, and that has proven to be really tough. With these short, wide arms, man, I tell you what, this is gonna be tough. If you notice, there are no body clips. Let's look at that. On the sides, you gotta flip these forward, just like that on both sides, and then you can raise the body. Pop them out, both sides, flip it over, and the body comes up. I want you guys to look at something. It has a full light kit in it. Check that out. I can't wait to power this thing up. Now look at the tailpipe. There's a light at the tailpipe, so I guess we'll be getting some backfires out of this thing, right? But look at how the wires are. They're all hinged at the back, so there's nothing to come up with the body to get tangled or undone or pulled loose. This is a beautiful design. It comes with a 2200 milliamp 3S battery with charger, everything. But let's look at the car. This is the 7075 alloy version with the 3650 size motor, 3300 kV. There are 2 receiver boxes in this. We're gonna open those up. The servo is a normal 1/10 size servo. Nice to see, so it's easy to swap out if you need to. Look at the tires. These tires right here, these are absolute rally all-terrain tires. I like that. There's only 1 receiver. I was kind of wondering if there would be a second receiver, so I guess depending on how you build this, if you rearrange things, you could use either box for the receiver. The car has 12mm hexes, all that. Now, do you see this knuckle right here? Do you see that? It's the same as what's on the Omni Terminator. And if those work with a much heavier, much larger tire vehicle, they're gonna be awesomely strong here. Before I power this thing up, I know you guys are ready to see it go, but look at all the upgrades you can get for it right here. Look at this. We got some sticker sheets and all that available for it. You got these right here. These right here will be going on it. Yeah. And you got the numbers. XTS book right here. Check this out. Now this book should have everything in it. Look at all the parts breakdown, everything like that. Absolutely awesome, because yes, this is hobby grade, and yes, you can get parts in case you happen to break something. And here we have the transmitter. I want to tell you guys, this thing has a gyro on it. Yep, it's got a steering gyro. I'm going to show you guys all that because it is time. It is time to power up right after I show you some spare parts that come with it, the charger that comes with it, battery adjusters right here that come with it, battery straps that come with it, zip ties, and the rest is your ability to drive. It's on, powered up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Haha, buck stock. Oh, we gotta look at the back end. Nice. Pushing this button right here, you get your headlights. Check this out. As far as that gyro goes, yep, it's got it. This is a rally car. It's going to be jumped. Look at the suspension travel. Look at that. All the way out, all the way compressed. All the way out, all the way compressed. So with all that travel, guess what? This is a real off-road car. It's a rally car, right? Are you ready for that tailpipe light? Check this out. I figured this out. When you let off the throttle, it kind of does a little pop thing. I mean, it doesn't actually make the sound, but that's awesome. What an awesome drive. You may be thinking, oh man, it was the same jump over and over again. It were different jumps. Check out the crashes. Not all jumps go well. You guys just saw it. This thing is tough. Now, it has the lineage of the Omni Terminator, only I think it's stronger because of the smaller tires, the shorter arms. This is an awesome car, man. Real happy with it. Suspension works great. Man, I'm telling you guys, check that description. Use that link. Hit that subscribe and go get this thing. Guys, have a great one. If you're still watching, you are top shelf. You are the cream of the crop, the pick of the litter. You are phenomenal. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. It means a lot to me. Now, down below, there are links for the products you see, also for channel memberships. If you guys want to be a part, channel members get early viewing on pretty much everything that I can. So, guys, check that description. There's a lot of info down there. Thank you all for watching.